the 20 years old PHP site converted in Laravel. So this is the old site and this is the new site. Check the speed of this site. So this is the wall booking platform. So this is the completely built in Laravel and old is PHP. So when you click today, I need the today and wait. Here need 20 to 50 seconds. Just wait to getting data, blank data. So report driver. There is also huge data is lists. I have converted everything. I also put it everything here. Also acquainted user, partner, admin, login, driver, charge account. Everything is here. Also we can change it. New entry, cash in, deposit, everything we have handled here. Business setting, card tab, email template, completely dynamic application. We have converted it. Also the booking log and driver log option. Also the help center. Any issue you can contact me within the 1 hour. We can solve it immediately. So this is the complete dashboard, the modern look AI. Also this is the old AI, old PHP version, more than 20 years application, or almost 5 developer build the application. Almost 5 developer build the application, old application, and total 5 worker application, 5 worker tasks. I only as a one man, I have converted it in 1 month, within 1 month. The budget is 5,000 USD in the Australian USD. So this is the completely Australian website. I have already made this. So client observation and changes something. I also changing something. The latest development I will show you next time. Thank you. Best of luck.